I got the drone in here. It's just it's over right here,
Really, I think it's an expensive drone. It seems very expensive to me.
Not cheap. No.
So I'm really nervous for you.
Why?
I don't want you to smash into anything. We're gonna fly the drone from the pick studio out onto the warehouse floor. All right, work watch via the drone edition.
All right, here we go. Come on, one more time, baby. One more time.
She's out.
There we go.
Okay. She's trying to get out the door.
Getting real cozy up here.
There we go. We're gonna break this drone. All right, now it's out the door. Now we can fly onto the workforce floor.
That's great. We're gonna see
We can see the 3-2 Mafia in action.
All right.
Go somewhere now.
All right, I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna stay by the microphone over here.
Go back.
Looking.
See if you can hover by Handsome Jake's desk. I'll show everyone how handsome he is.
Let me put this on slow mode.
There it goes. Okay.
Oh, see, it's running into a wall. Here we go.
Oh, all the papers on my desk just flew out, buddy. That's not cool.
Dude, look at this. Here we go. This is all going on the Facebook page.
Oh, there's Billy. There's Handsome Jake. Oh, yeah, there's the GY News. Don't crash it on him. Look at that. Going over to the news. Guy's flying it into the manager's office.
Oh, I almost ran into the glass.
All right, what do we got here for a count?
There's the two managers right there.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
County managers. Jeez. All right, we'll throw this drone video up.
All right, here we go.
Work watch.
All right, okay. Hold it there, guys.
Who here?
Hover there.
And the number would be 5.
I'm a mother, God rest her soul.